Today I'll be making Sunomono, Japanese cucumber salad. こんにちは, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. Sunomono is one of the most popular Japanese side dishes and you can easily make it at home. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
First, to make the dressing, combine 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Place over medium heat and whisk it well together. When the sugar has dissolved completely, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool. Next, soak 1 tablespoon of dried wakame seaweed in water and let it rehydrate for 5 minutes. After that, squeeze the liquid out from the rehydrated wakame and add it to a medium bowl. Now, peel the skin of 2 Japanese cucumbers, leaving some skin on to create stripes. Then, slice them thinly into rounds. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt onto the slices and gently massage it in. Set aside for 5 minutes. After the salt has drawn out the moisture of the cucumbers, squeeze out the liquid from the cucumbers and add them to the bowl. Add the dressing and sesame seeds. Toss it all together to combine. Finally, serve the salad in individual bowls or a large serving bowl. Optionally, you can add thinly sliced boiled octopus, imitation crab or crab meat, or boiled baby anchovies to this cucumber salad. You can read more about it on the website. Enjoy this refreshing salad.
If you are looking for more side dishes, here's another recipe to try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. またね!